Okay, for this question, I think it's a bit challenging. Okay, so just to let you know, there are actually a few ways to go about doing this question. This question by right, I mean, if you see as an exam question, right, there's actually a formula that you will learn later on. That is the area of a triangle is half AB sine C. So you can either treat it this way. You have not learned this formula yet as of now. But if the equilateral triangle XYZ, 4 square root 3 minus 1, and this is 4 square root 3 minus 1, equilateral triangle, interior angle 60 degree. The area of the triangle can be seen as half times 4 square root 3 minus 1 multiplied by 4 square root 3 minus 1 multiplied by sine 60 degrees. Okay, so this formula, if you are going to use it, is fine. You can use it to solve the question, or if you do not know, then you can simply do what I do here. That's I cut the triangle into two. I acknowledge that if this is 4 square root 3 minus 1, then this portion will be 2 square root 3 minus 1. Okay, so this portion here, that will be equals to 2 square root 3 minus 1. And what I do is I will apply Pythagoras theorem, okay, to find probably the height of the triangle first, so that I can do half times base times height. So to find the height of the triangle, I recognize that I probably need to use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so using this, right, using h square by the Pythagoras theorem, h square is equals to 4 square root 3 minus 1 square. Right, the whole thing square. Okay, so I'm going to square the whole thing, minus the adjacent, which is 2 square root 3 minus 1 square. Now this is a bit tricky, so the trick here is you don't expand. Using indices, right, 4 square root 3 minus 1 square, this will give you 16. I think 16 square root 3 minus 1 square minus, okay, 2 square will be 4 square root 3 minus 1 square. Okay, so 16 and 4, that will give you the value of 12 square root 3 minus 1 square. So if you want to, if this is your h square, right, and you want to find out what's the h, right, then simply it's just the square root of this number here. Okay, basically you take the square root of this, so you can see this is the same as square root 12, and square root 3 minus square root of, you basically cancel the square root, then square root 3 minus 1. So this is your h. Okay, I can simplify square root h further to be square root 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by square root 3 minus 1. Okay, and you can get this answer as well. That is for part 1. So with that, once you get your height, okay, so you can see the trick here is I don't expand, I merely factorize out the square root 3 minus 1 square. So once you get the h here, you can go ahead to do your find your area, half times base times height. So the area of the triangle XYZ, you go ahead to do half times base times height, half times base, which is 4 square root 3 minus 1 multiplied by height, which is the one that you found, 2 square root 3 minus 1. Now you go ahead and do this. I think your answer, you will get 16 square root 3 minus 24 cm square. Okay, yeah, thank you.